later, later, late, latest, lately, later.
At a time in the future or after the time you have mentioned.
He'll be back later. We could always go later in the year. Inside, inside.
In or into a room, building, container, etc.
I'm freezing, let's go back inside. Anywhere, anywhere.
In or to any place.
Did you go anywhere interesting this summer? Go anywhere in the world and you'll find some sort of hamburger restaurant.
Used in questions and negatives to mean a place.
Is there anywhere in particular you wanted to go to eat tonight? I can't find my keys anywhere. Is there anywhere else you'd like to visit? Exactly. Exactly. Exact, exactly.
Used when you are giving or asking for information that is completely correct.
The journey took exactly 3 hours. Where are you staying exactly? While. While.
During the time that, or at the same time as.
I read it while you were drying your hair. While I was in Italy, I went to see Alessandro. I thought I heard him come in while we were having dinner.
Guide. Guide.
Guidance, guide, guide.
Someone whose job is to show interesting places to visitors, or to help people get somewhere.
A tour guide. The guide at the museum gave us a very interesting talk. Capital letter. Capital letter.
A large letter of the alphabet used at the beginning of sentences and names.
Write your answers in capital letters on the answer sheet. Follow. Follow. Following, follower, follow, following.
To move behind someone or something and go where they go.
A dog followed us home. She followed me into the kitchen. He had the feeling he was being followed.
To travel along a road, path, etc.
Follow the main road down to the traffic lights. Magic. Magic. Magic, magic, magical.
Special powers that can make things happen that seem impossible.
Do you believe in magic? As if by magic, the car changes into a boat when it hits the water.
Tricks that are done to entertain people, such as making things appear and disappear and pretending to cut someone in half.
He's a comedian who also does magic.
Relating to magic.
A magic show. I'll show you a magic trick.
Pack. Pack.
Pack. Pack. Pack. Package. Pack. Unpack. Packed.
To put your things into bags, boxes, etc. when you are going on holiday or leaving the place where you live.
We're leaving early tomorrow morning, so you'd better pack tonight. I haven't packed my clothes yet. She packed a small suitcase for the weekend. Rest. 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 Restless.
The part of something that remains, or the others that remain.
I've got 2 bright students, but the rest are average. I'll keep 1/3 of the money and the rest is for you. Have you got anything planned for the rest of the day?
A period of time when you relax or sleep.
Why don't you have a rest? I must get some rest. After walking a few miles, we stopped for a rest. Third. Third.
Third written as a word.
The third road on the right. The third time. What's the date today? It's the 3rd. Quiet. 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 Quietly.
Making little or no noise.
Can you be quiet, please? Could you keep quiet while I'm on the phone? It's so quiet without the kids here.
Without much activity or excitement.
A quiet and peaceful little village. It was a quiet wedding, with just a few friends and relations. Business is quiet during the holidays.
Full. Full.
Full. Full. Full. Fully.
If a container or a space is full, it contains as many things or people as possible, or as much of something as possible.
We couldn't get in, the cinema was full. The shelves were full of books. The theater was only half full.
Complete and including every part.
Please give your full name and address. Today's my last full day in Paris.
Containing a lot of things or people or a lot of something.
This sweater is full of holes. His essay was full of spelling errors. You're always so full of energy. Hit. Hit. Hitting. Hit. Hit.
To touch someone or something quickly and with force using your hand or an object in your hand.
She hit him on the head with her tennis racket. Teachers are not allowed to hit their pupils.